Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have two very good hiring for today. The first hiring is from the company Wing, and the second hiring is from the company TATA 1MG. Now, so friends, Wing is hiring for data entry job role, and it is 100% work from home. They are hiring for part-time and full-time. In full-time, you will be getting a salary of 18,000 to 28,000 rupees. And in part-time, you will be getting 9,000 to 14,000 rupees. Now the question is, who all can apply? Then friends, 10th pass, 12th pass, graduate, postgraduate, student, working professional, housewife, anyone can apply here. There is no problem at all. Okay. Now, friends, you can see here it is completely remote, part-time, entry level, right? So anyone can apply here. Now, friends, mostly you will be getting the data entry job here. So you can see data entry, prepare lead list or meeting minutes, transcribe audio recordings, prepare payroll information, and organize research notes, right? So here you can see what general virtual assistant part-time and general virtual assistant, this is full-time. Both the link will be given in description, right? Now, I will tell you more about the eligibility criteria, but it's very, very clear that, so right, so in a week, you'll have to work for 40 plus hours, and it is a data entry job, and they are expecting a laptop and a internet connection at your home, right? Okay, fine. So now, before I tell you how to apply and more into eligibility criteria, friends, I wanted to tell you about this TATA 1MG hiring. Okay, now, so friends, Gigs for Gigs, you must have heard about that, has come up with one of the biggest hiring event of the year. Now, why I'm saying biggest hiring event of the year? Because 25 plus companies are hiring through one single test, right? And definitely you should have some experience, right? Then only you will be able to utilize this opportunity. Now, what you have to do is you have to mark your calendar. So when is this hiring event? So 21st of July, 8 p.m. to 21st of July, 10:30 p.m. So this is basically 2.5 hour long test will be there, right? Okay, now here you can see, friends, so all the companies which are hiring. Okay, and one more important update I wanted to tell you, friends. So after registering for the contest, right, so the link will be given in description, you will have to register. So once you register for the contest, the candidate has to go through the job description given and register for one or more companies that you are interested in. Your profile will only be considered for a company if you have registered for it. And one more thing, friends, I wanted to tell you, this is completely free. You do not have to pay anything. At many places you have to pay and then you have to participate. No, so this is completely free here, right? So the date I told you, and definitely you all are talented individuals and the companies are also looking for that, right? So here you can see the list of the company. So one I have opened here, so you can just go through that. So TATA 1MG, and the eligibility criteria and all those things you will be able to see here, like BTech from computer science and should have 1+ years of experience in backend. Okay, now, so instruction for the contest, friends. So this contest consists of 4 parts: 3 DSA coding problem 100 mark, 5 MCQ and programming logic 25 mark, 5 MCQ and logical reasoning 25 mark, 5 MCQs on quantitative aptitude 25 marks, and only individual participant is allowed in jobathon. So basically this is a mega jobathon which is going to be conducted by Gigs for Gigs. Interview shortlisting will be done by specific companies based on their own criteria. Languages supported for DSA problems are C++, Java, Python, right? And you can go through the rest of the instructions, friends. So the link is given in description. Don't miss this opportunity. Take part in this particular hiring where one single test and 25 plus companies will hire you. Okay, now, so friends, general virtual assistant we will see. So Wing is one of the exciting mission of redefining the future of work for companies across the world. We are looking for one stop shop for companies that are looking to build world-class teams and place their operations to on autopilot. Duties and responsibilities. So what basically you will be doing? So data entry, prepare leads list or meeting minutes, transcribe audio recordings, prepare payroll information or organize research notes, research products, purchase goods, and so all this information you have to gather and then you have to put in a Excel sheet or wherever they're telling. Now, this is a remote job. Qualification, high school graduate or any of the certification course you have, you can apply. Excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication that you are expert. So we are using Instagram so much. Okay, solid organization and time management skills. If this every company will write, so you do not have to worry. But friends, see, when you are applying for this kind of data entry job now, so at least MS Office, right? Like MS Excel, MS Word. So this kind of knowledge you should be having. Okay. Now, so technical requirement: So USB headset, working webcam, computer is required, and internet connection is required. Okay. Benefit: job security, paid training, exceptional supportive team, opportunities for career growth, fun work environment, performance incentive, and many more. So for part time, as I said, 9,000 to 14,000 rupees, and for full time, 18,000 to 28,000 rupees, right? Okay. So minimum, that is what. Okay. Now, so friends, how you have to apply is your first name, last name, email address, phone number. You have to attach your resume. How did you hear about this job? So you can put LinkedIn or anything. Okay. Are you currently employed? So if no means no. Are you currently how much time do you need before you start in this role? So you can I can start as soon as possible. Are you amenable to working a graveyard shift? Yes, you can put. Okay. Are you a previous employee of Wing Assistant? No. Okay. If you have any portfolio, please attach the link. Otherwise, indicate not applicable. Okay. Now, select the tools that you are familiar with. So if you are familiar with like Gmail, Outlook, email, so please select that. Okay. And select all the skills that applies for you. So maybe like, email management, web research. So you can select accordingly. And desired salary, you will be able to put it here, right? And then you will be able to apply. Now, for the full time, some more details will be required. Okay. So following instruction is essential to be a part of our amazing VA team. So create a Google Drive and upload the following, like your internet speed. Okay. And then your computer specification, backup computer specification, and 1 minute video recording of talking about your greatest achievement. Okay. So that you can fill it. And then you can put the link here. So do apply, friends. See, right now, there are limited companies are hiring. So in this particular situation, you don't have to think which company you are getting reply, which company you are not getting reply, right? Because the number of unemployment, I mean, the unemployment is quite huge right now. There are many people who are jobless. So definitely they're looking for a job. So keep applying. Okay. So how many are getting selected? Let them get selected, right? And you keep trying for one and the other job. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best.